My name's Greg English. I'm from Los Angeles, California. I'm the sales director over at Innosec, and I drive a 2004 Dodge Viper. What do I have done to it? Well, the car is lightly modded. It's sitting on a set of Stage 1 coilovers from MCS. It's got a Gen 4 hood from Sabon. It's got a front air dam and canard combo from APR. And it also has some drop-in filters from K&N. So why Nardo Gray? Honestly, I just really love the color. I've always wanted to have a car wrapped in Nardo, but I always seem to sell the cars before I get around to it. And at the time, there wasn't really a lot of third-gen Vipers in Nardo Gray, so I figured, why not? Let's just do it. I just pulled the trigger, did it. If I could wrap the car again, I'd probably go with an army green or the metallic midnight green. So advice for somebody getting into cars or getting their first car, I'd honestly just say, buy something reliable, something that's fun to drive, but that won't break the bank. But just find out what you want out of a car, whether it's a luxury sedan, a sports car, a hot hatch, 4x4, whatever that is. But most importantly, make it a manual. That way, once you master that, you can drive anything.